Today's video is not a guide that is recorded to show you how to work with Microsoft 365. I want to inform you about the need for you to start using Copilot or using AI. With Microsoft 365, you have Copilot Chat to start with. That's a very good start, but my recommendation is that you invest in the licensed Copilot. You can free up time enough to justify the investment in the license. I myself use Copilot every day to free up time. I gain hours every day by using Copilot. I use it to summarize documents, emails, and chats from Teams. I use Copilot to prepare for meetings. I use Copilot to find information I wrote in emails in Outlook months ago. You know how hard it is to find that by a search in Outlook. It's terrible to find it by search. To summarize my thoughts today, start using Copilot Chat and book a meeting with me or any of my colleagues to demonstrate Copilot for you and Copilot in Microsoft 365. I would like for you to follow this channel on YouTube by subscribing. I also want to have your input, what you want me to explain in future videos. I wish you all a great weekend and what is left of the summer. Have a lovely summer. Overbristan, netting great.